Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard first semester, second book. So, Tarun and Tanya's work in the garden, oral questions here. Does your house have a garden? Does your house have a garden? You are having a garden? Yes. Who takes care of your garden? Who takes care of your garden? डज यू हैव अ गार्डन मीन्स यू तुम्हारे घर पे गार्डन है क्या? हु टेक केयर ऑफ योर गार्डन? हु टेक्स केयर ऑफ योर गार्डन? तुम्हारा गार्डन का केयर देखरेख कौन करता है? हाउ डज अ गार्डनर टेक केयर ऑफ द गार्डन? गार्डनर, हाउ डज अ गार्डनर टेक केयर ऑफ द गार्डन? माली मामा, गार्डनर तुम्हारे गार्डन को कैसे देखरेख करता है? हाउ ही टेक्स केयर. डू यू लाइक टू वर्क इन द गार्डन? डू यू वर्क लाइक टू वर्क इन द गार्डन? यस. What kind of work do you like to do in the garden? What work will you do like to do in the garden? तुम्हें गार्डन में किस तरह का काम करना पसंद आएगा? मिट्टी में खेलने के लिए तो सब बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है, पानी मिट्टी. ओके. What kind of tools do we use for gardening? गार्डनिंग के लिए हमें क्या क्या लगता है? टूल्स. दैट इज स्पेड लगता है, स्पेड लगता है. उसके बाद स्पेड यानी खुरा. फोर्क लगता है, जैसा मट्टी को हम ये कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद तुम्हें रेक लगता है, वो एक ऐसे कांटे चमचे की तरह, वो भी एक स्पेड ही रहता है. उसको हम साफ सफाई कर सकते हैं गार्डन में. ओके. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टूल्स डू वी यूज़ फॉर गार्डनिंग के लिए क्या क्या लगता है? स्पेड लगता है, फोर्क लगता है, रैक लगता है एंड शोवेल. ये सब तुम्हें लगता है गार्डन. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ टूल्स, क्या वस्त्र मने खोरा लगता है. उसके बाद पानी का डब्बा जो है, पानी डालने के लिए कैन लगता है. उसके बाद तुम्हें साफ सफाई करने के लिए खुरपा, वो भी लगता है. उससे मट्टी खोद सकते हो तुम. खोरे से भी मट्टी ऊपर ला के डाल सकते हो. दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड टूल्स वी यूज़ फॉर गार्डनिंग. नाउ एक्सरसाइज. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस in one sentence each. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Who is Shamu uncle? Yes. Who is Shamu uncle? Yes. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Who is Shamu uncle? Shamu, SHAMU. Shamu uncle. In the question number A only, who is Shamu uncle? Shamu uncle, you can write the spelling, seeing here. Shamu uncle, SHAMU. Shamu, UNCLE, uncle is a gardener. Yes. Shamu, SHAMU. Shamu, uncle. Here, see, who is Shamu uncle? In the question only, you'll find out the answer. Shamu, SHAMU. Shamu, UNCLE, uncle is a gardener. GARDENER. GARDENER is a gardener. Who is helping Shamu uncle? The second question D is, see in your book also it is there. Who is helping Shamu uncle? Shamu uncle को कौन हेल्प कर रहा है? आंसर, तरुण. TARUN. तरुण, A and तानिया, TANYA, तानिया are ARER helping, HELPING, helping Shamu, SHAMU, Shamu uncle, UNCLE. Who is helping Shamu uncle? Tarun and Tania are helping Shamu uncle. Tarun and Tania are helping Shamu uncle. What is Tarun doing? What is Tarun doing? See question number C. See here. What is Tarun doing? Tarun क्या कर रहा है? Tarun is digging the soil. Tarun, TARUN. Tarun IS is DIGGING. 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 The SOIL. Soil. Digging the soil यानी वो मिट्टी खोद रहा है, खुदाई कर रहा है. What is Tarun doing? Now, what is Tania doing? Tania, D1 question is, what is Tania doing? Tania क्या कर रही है? Tania is picking up the dry leaves. तानिया क्या कर रही थी गार्डन में? वो जो सूखे हुए पत्ते गिरे थे गार्डन में उसको हाथ में मैंने एक बकेट में लेकर उसको साइड में फेंक रही थी. नाउ टेक डाउन द आंसर. व्हाट इज तानिया डूइंग? तानिया, TANYA, तानिया IS is PICKING, 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 UP up, THE the, dry, DRY dry, LEAVES leaves. What Tanya was doing? Tanya, TANYA, is picking, 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 UP up, THE the, DRY dry, LEAVES leaves. Tanya was picking up the dry leaves. Question number 1. Answer the following questions in one sentences. We have completed 4 questions. The question number 1 is, who is Shamu uncle? Who is helping Shamu uncle? What is Tarun doing? What is Tanya doing? Now the second question is, choose the right answer and fill in the blanks. Choose the right answer and fill in the blanks. The answers are given here only. See here. Tarun has a dash watering can. Tarun has a dash watering can. Blue is there, red is there, yellow is there. So you have opened your book. This is your book which you have opened. Tarun and Tanya work in the garden. Page number 6. Page number 6. That is here. What is holding? You can see what color it is. As I have told you, it is which color? Red color. Yes. And the questions are page number 7. Page number 7. Tarun has a dash watering can. See here, blue, red, yellow is there, no? In that only you mark only red. Now I have shown you the picture, red. And write here in your 4-line book, that is red, 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 this way. Then Tanya waters dash. Then options, answers are here: sunflowers, roses, lilies. So you know which is sunflower and which is roses. रोज यानी गुलाब का फूल. देखो यहाँ पे तानिया क्या कर रही है? तानिया waters roses. तानिया water dash is there, full stop, no. Sunflowers are there, roses are there, lilies are there. And as I have shown you the picture now, what it is? Roses. Tania watered roses. Roses. So mark here roses and write here in your 4-line book. In the middle 2 line is there, no? There you write R-O-S-E-S. Roses. Now C1. Sunflowers are dash. Sunflowers are dash. White is given, blue is given, yellow is given. Sunflower is which? Of which color? Sunflower कौन से कलर का होता है देखो? येलो कलर. वेरी गुड. राइट हियर येलो कलर. YELLOW. Sunflowers are yellow. So mark here yellow. If you forget to write here yellow, see here YELLOW. Yellow color, yellow mark here. Then Tania picks up fallen leaves. What Tania was doing then? Tania picks up fallen leaves. Leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. So here leaves are there, flowers are there, twigs are there. ट्विग्स यानी लकड़ी के छोटे छोटे टुकड़े, वो नहीं वो कलेक्ट कर रही थी. तानिया पिक्स अप फॉलन लीव्स. सो LEAVES लीव्स. फ्लावर्स भी नहीं ये कर रही थी वो, मैंने पिक करना चुनना, वो नीचे से जो गंदगी पड़ी थी पत्तों की उसको वो पिक कर रही थी. सो वी हैव सीन, नो. चूज द राइट आंसर एंड fill in the blanks. That is, Tarun has a red watering can. Tarun has a red watering can. Tania's waters roses. Tania watered roses. Sunflowers are yellow. Sunflowers are yellow. Tania picks up fallen leaves. Tania picks up fallen leaves. We have completed exercise 1, question answers. Choose the right answers, question 2. And now activity language development. Activity language development. Learn sound cha. Read each word, repeat after your teacher. Repeat after your teacher. That is CHAIN. CHAIN, chain. CHAIR, chair. CHAIN, chain. CHAIN, chain. CHAIR, chair. CHALK, chalk. CHALK, chalk. CHANT, chant. CHANT, chant. CHURCH, church. CHURCH, church. CHANT, chant. CHAT, chat. CHAT, chat. CHECK, check. CHECK, check. CHEEK, chick. CHEEK, chick. CHIP, chip. CHIP, chip. CHIT, chit. CHIT, chit. CHILD, child. CHILD, child. CHILL, chill. CHILL, chill. CHAIN, chain. CHAIN, chain. CHAIR, chair. CHAIR, chair. CHALK, chalk. chant, 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 church, 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 chant, chant, chat, 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 check, 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 cheek, 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 chick, chip, 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 chit, 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 child, 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 chill, chill. So, chain, chair, ch, read. Now, chant, church, chat, ch. What we have to use? Start with the check, chick, chip, chit, child, chill, ch. Learn sound ch with the sound of ch. Okay, children. Page number 8, speaking skill. Learn the dialogues given below and act in a group of 3. Act in a group of 3. Here there are Kavya, Kiran, Kavya and Kranti. 3 students are there. 3 students are there and what they are acting in a group. See here what they are doing. Kiran, hello. What Kiran is saying? Hello. I am Kiran. I am Kiran. This is my sister Kranti. This is my sister Kranti. Who is saying Kiran? Kiran is the name of a boy. He is saying hello. Kavya. I am Kiran. This is my sister Kranti. Kranti to whom they are saying? To Kavya. Kavya is a new friend of them. See here, 3 you can see now. You can see. Kavya. Hello Kiran. Hello Kranti. I am Kavya. If you also children wants to talk to one another, slowly you can start talking in English. Yes. You should say hello. Where are you going? Good morning. When your friend entered the class, that time you can ask them, hello Kiran, hello Kranti, I am Kavya. Kranti, is today your first day in this school? Is today your first day in this school? Kavya, yes. Today is my first day in the school. They are talking to themselves. You also try to speak like that. You also can speak in the class in this way. Kiran, welcome to the school. Kiran is welcoming to Kavya. Kavya, welcome to the school. Let us be friends. We all are friends, no? Then Kranti, we will have great fun in the school. We will have great fun in the school. What Kiran is saying? Kiran and Kranti. Kiran is introducing to Kavya. किरण क्या कर रहा है? अपनी बहन को इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, उसको मिला रहा है काव्य से. काव्या उनकी स्कूल फ्रेंड है. ये पहले दिन आई है स्कूल में, तो हेलो हाय करके अपने अपने इसमें बातें करके ये कर रहा है, उसको इंट्रोड्यूस करवा रहा है. तो तुम्हारा फर्स्ट डे है, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है, आज तुम आज ही आई हो स्कूल में. तो कहती है हाँ, तो अच्छा है, वेलकम कर रहे उसको, आओ ये कितना बड़ा हमारा स्कूल है देखो, ऐसा करके. सो किरण, हेलो, आई एम किरण. दिस इज़ माई सिस्टर क्रांति. काव्या, हेलो किरण. हेलो क्रांति. आई एम काव्या. आई एम काव्या. Kranti, is today your first day in the school? Kranti is asking to Kavya. Kavya says, yes, today is my first day in the school. In this school. Kiran, welcome to the school. Kiran is welcoming to Kavya. Let us be friends. Let us be friends. Kranti, we will have great fun in the school. We will have nice maja in the school. Okay. So, you, whatever I have given you question answers, fill in the blanks and speaking skill, you go on reading. No need of by hearting. ये तुम्हें बाहर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं, तुम खाली सिर्फ रीड करो. इफ़ यू रीड नो, यू ऑल्सो विल एबल टू से एंड राइट. वॉट टू से, वेयर टू से, यू विल कम टू नो. Okay children, these question answers write for 3 times. This is the homework for you. Write question answers for 3 times. Page number 7. Page number 7. Question answers you have to write. Question answers you have to write. Fill in the blanks you have to write. And activity language, this what learn cha. This you have to write the words 5 times and learn by heart. The spelling to be by heart read, and this you just go on reading. Go on reading. Read the lesson daily, children. If you don't understand any word, take your parents' help. That means you will be able to read at least little daily, little, not the whole lesson I am asking you to read. Little you try to learn. If you are knowing the words, difficult words I have given you, if you write that words 5 times, you will be able to read the question answers also. Have you got it? Okay, we will meet in the next video. Thank you children.